So here is your July 2020 timetable. You must be finally relieved that the timetable is here. So the timetable is very simple. So you're going to get 1 day gap if you're writing only one module. It could be M1 or M2 or if you're in professional M3. That is your module 3. So as you can see, from the 6th of July you are going to be having all the exams, and I don't have to explain which day which exam is there. That all of you would have got it on your WhatsApp and message and all of that. But main thing is, if you're writing both the modules, you don't have leave. But if you are going to write only one module, you will be having leave. Of course, there are some moderations which is made here. For example, if you see 9th of July, there is no exam at all. Then Sunday also there is no exam. So they have done some things like this. And they have also told, most importantly, that the institute may have some exigency, that is 17th, 18th, 19th July. If they can't conduct or there's some issues, they will postpone little on these 3 days. But all this is as of now. You never know the way things are happening, but as of now this is it. So please study, and in this video I'll be giving you a very simple study plan or a study timetable. So, and also before that, please make sure that you download our app, Ekcel Academy app. So we'll be able to give you the complete support. So it is called Ekcel Academy Online, and it is available on your Google Play Store. It's an Android app. We'll be able to support you for your exams. There are a lot of free courses there and all. So coming to what we'll be able to do now. See, now you may be thinking July is there, but still you have about 65 days for the exam. So in 65 days, what should you do? You must make sure that you give your 100%. It is as simple as that. Now, how do you give your 100%? You need to measure. You need to know how much you're studying, etc. So how do you do that? I have a very simple timetable. I have made this earlier. It is one of the very popular videos on our YouTube channel. So I'm going to tell you again in a simple way. So each one of you, please make this timetable today. So you're basically having 4 columns. So the first column is days for exam. So you should write the countdown. So 65 days, then 64 days, like that. Then 63, you'll go on. Then what is the day? So May 1st, May 2nd, May 3rd, you continue writing the date. Then the third column, you'll write what I want to study today. That is May 1st. So what I want to study. So for example, I'll write company law. I want to study about directors chapter I want to study. Okay, or you can write some other subject. You can write GST I want to study mixed supply and everything about supply. Whatever you want to study, you write it in this column. Then the fourth column, which is most important, which you will be filling every day night before you go to sleep, you have to fill how much did I complete. So directors chapters, maybe you did 80% complete, or if you want to write in page numbers, if there are 20 pages, I completed 15 pages. Or concept wise, if you want to write, I studied about the institution of directors, I studied about appointment of directors, but I could not study about independent director, whatever. So you will know how much you are studying, you will know how you are progressing. Same way, then you will write for the next day. So May 2nd, what do I want to study? So please remember that you need to write very precisely. Okay, EBCL or SLCM, for example. So you will be writing here EBCL, I will be studying the FEMA lesson number 1 and 2. Then SLCM, you will be studying lesson number 15, whatever. Then end of the day, how much you completed. So if you completed 100%, very good. Otherwise, you write topic wise or page wise, anything, how much you completed, you write. By this way, you will know how much you are able to complete. Of course, I'll be making many more videos, but this is the simple thing. So please start this today. Please plan ahead weekly or fortnightly, that is once in 15 days, you write like this. How many days for exam? So as you see this 65, 64, then 62, 61, like that, it will become then 45, 44, then you'll become very serious for exam. This is very useful. I have used it, and also many of my students have used it, and many have got above 60 marks. It may look simple but very effective. And every day and night, you please fill this fourth column. By this way, you will be able to really get lot of benefits. First thing is, you'll be able to study more. You are much more productive. You are studying in a more efficient manner. Only number of hours is not important. You should be able to understand the concepts. Your productivity will go up in this method. Then you will not cram in the ending. See, people will have 60 days. In that 40 days they will finish only 30%. In 20 days they will try to finish 70% syllabus. It is not possible. Then best part is, you can start this timetable or this plan even today you can do. Please let me know in the comments after you make it. I'll be very happy. And what we are planning to do from Ekcel Academy is, we are going to give you many YouTube live sessions till your July 2020. Now everybody fought, no, you want the exam postponed, all of that. Now that has happened, but now you need to pass the exam. You have to give 100% efforts. So we'll be also giving you, most importantly, mock exams. So you can also take the mock exams if you require. It will really help you. I'm telling you. Now June 1st was exam, no? Yes, they have postponed it. But now you have to pass in July. To pass in July, mock exams is like a preparatory exam. In school we used to have no preparatory exam. So that preparatory exam you take, we'll be able to help you. And also to let me know in the comments, what else do you want? We can definitely help you for the July exams. Whatever you want, you please let us know. So before that, please download our Android app. The app is completely free. There are many free courses also. Of course, there are paid courses which we have in CS Executive, that is module 1, module 2. Then you can also buy subject wise. And if you have any doubts, if you are not able to understand, or if you want to talk to us, this is our number. So you can message us on WhatsApp 973-973-3400. WhatsApp or Telegram, you can message us, call us. And if you want to purchase any courses, you are having any issues, you can get in touch with us. We'll be able to help you, right? And please ensure you study well for the exam. Even for foundation exam, it is 11th and 12th which they are going to do. The revised schedule has been given. And ensure that you do this timetable. This is a timetable which is very effective. Do this. So first what you do is, I always suggest, do it for 1 week. So in 1 week you will know. Otherwise what you will do, you will write here, I'll study 5 chapters. In the end of the day you will study only 1 chapter. Then you will get very disappointed. Don't do that. Please make this 1 week. See what is realistic. Then you make the timetable for 2 weeks and then go ahead like that. Your efficiency will improve. But this is the most effective timetable. This is one small tip. Like this, they have many more tips. So please keep watching our YouTube channel till this. Of course, all the time we'll do, but especially for July exam, since all of you have a lot of issues and you want to pass, we are there to help you. Follow us for many videos, live sessions, mock exam, and anything else which you want specifically, please tell us. We don't know what exactly you want, what kind of help you want. If you tell us, we'll be able to help you. Right? Thank you very much.